Dust and dirt inside your car? We know how frustrating it can be. At Eco Verde, our experts carefully clean the dashboard and every corner inside your car. With Eco Verde Valeting, your car gets the elegance you can enjoy every day. Feel the touch of freshness inside. Your steering wheel, which you touch every day, needs a deep clean. We remove germs and dirt, keeping your driving experience fresh and safe. Every design and finish on your car's door panels requires delicate attention. Our premium cleaning ensures spotless shine and long-lasting protection. The dark stains on your rear bumper and exhaust can spoil your car's appearance. Our powerful cleaning formula quickly removes even the toughest dirt, giving your car's rear a sparkling finish. Areas that are frequently touched need germ-free care. We deeply clean the leather and trim, restoring their freshness.